Hello. Um, this is a short video about creating alphas inside Nomad Sculpt. I switch to the app. Okay. This is only an example. I created a star like this, and in the side view, you see the star has a height, and this is the top view. And you can bring it here in position. You can create every object. This is only a good example to create the high maps. In the not the settings menu, so the interface menu, there's debugging graphics, and there you can switch on a high map. This is the thing you need. And then you can go to the project and render the scene. You can turn off the transparent background, I think. Screen size, I think, is okay. Export PNG, and this appears. This is a true high map of the object. And save image. I use Procreate. You can use the alpha right at the moment, but it's better to use Procreate or other painting app or something, and use a square and insert this photo. You can bring it in a position like this in the middle. Sorry, I go a step back. I think it's okay. And remember, the alpha brushes using a round brush. Everything around in the corners or something, it should be round. It's better. And when you got this, you can duplicate it. And for the intention, you can use blend modes. You see, it appears a little bit lighter. Or this blend mode, and when it's not enough, duplicate the layer, and the more you duplicate it, the more intense the alpha is. And now you can export it as a JPEG or okay. And when you're inside Nomad, you can turn off the high map, and when you, for example, you add a sphere, autosave, validated, subdivided sometimes, and this is this alpha, and now you can bring the star on your object. I create alphas only at the time when I need it, and then I delete it again. Okay, you see here, this is about the round shape of the alpha brush. You can adjust it a little bit, scale it a little bit down, and then you get everything on it. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.